Shandong Sensitar Industrial Equipment Co. Ltd. is located in high-tech industrial park, Jiaqing City, Shandong Province, engaged in manufacturing of vegetable, fruit processing line, cooked food processing line, French fries production line as well as various food processing machines, for example steam peeler, hydro cutter, linear oven, vacuum cooler, jacketed cooker. The company has two production bases covering a total area over 20 acres, with a building area of 4,000 square meters, and over 180 skilled employees are hired. In order to better improve our customers' experience and products' performance, the company introduced advanced equipment from Europe and the United States, such as large laser cutting machine, veneer reeling machine, argon arc welding, submerged arc welding, automatic welding robot, X-ray testing equipment, etc. Looking forward to your visit and cooperation. Steam peeler, a large capacity peeling machine suitable for potato and fruit processing. Jacketed kettle. Vacuum cooling machine for fruits, vegetables, and ready-to-eat food pre-cooling.